Begin with graph paper, preferably with small squares because you'll need at least 45 squares up. Draw the old stump in the left-hand corner of the graph paper. The first part says, take 30 paces east. Each square represents a pace, so draw a line approximately 30 squares to the right. It'll help if you label north, south, east, and west to help you along the way. Then it says to take 20 paces north, so you draw a line 20 paces up to mark the trail. After that, it says to take 6 paces west, so you draw a line 6 squares to the left. Then it says to take 25 paces north, so you draw a line approximately 25 squares up. Once you've done that, you have the trail. The hidden treasure is up at the end of the line. Now, to find the direct distance, like the question asks, you have to start by making a straight line from the old stump to the hidden treasure. To make the two lines on the right one straight line, finish the top of the line with a dotted one. Now it makes a right triangle. From the dotted line to the old stump is exactly 24 paces or squares, because that side doesn't really matter. Up at the top of the line is 25 paces and the bottom is 20. Add those together and that whole line is 45 paces. Now we still don't know what the direct distance is, so we'll label that C. We'll label the one with the 24 paces A, the 45 paces B, so then we have A, B, and C. To figure out the direct distance / the hypotenuse, you will use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, all you have to do is plug in the numbers that you already have. So A is 24, so it's 24 squared. B is 45, so it's 45 squared. And C squared is still C squared. 24 squared is 576. That's plus 2025, which equals C squared. Those add together to get 2,601, which equals C squared. You have to square root both sides to get rid of the square on top of C. Once you put that in your calculator, you will get 51 equals C. And that's your answer. The direct distance between the old stump and the treasure is exactly 51 paces.